just starting to get back into gardening, but I have had a little bit of gardening success this year. Check out what I grew. The main thing that I did manage to grow this year are some nice little strawberries. These have gone over, and you can see some slugs have gotten to those. This one's a little ripe. I'll take that one. There's another strawberry here. All of these strawberries came from one vine. I planted the vine last year. It sent out a lot of runners. This is the original mother plant and all of these runners. And as we head over towards the fall here, I want to take these off, and I may take some indoors and just kind of pot them up and grow them out, and then next spring bring them back outside. But these, you guys, slugs got hold to this one. Little pepper I planted. What did do well this year were my tomatoes. These have done exceedingly well. These are indeterminate tomatoes, so they'll just keep on producing all year long. But we're in the fall season, so this may be the last big crop of tomatoes that I managed to get this year, but it's still gonna be a nice little tomato harvest. This is about the 4th time that I've managed to harvest tomatoes here. I'll let those hang on for a little longer. But these are some beautiful tomatoes. These have not been sprayed with any pesticides or anything like that. Just the bugs and insects have really just stayed away from these. So I managed to get some really great tomatoes. Gardening is just such a soothing hobby. You get to grow your own food, you get connected to it. It feels wonderful. And when you get to the end of the season or your plants are ready, where you get your produce, it just feels so good to be able to do that. So I'm going to pick these old strawberries off. I'm just going to drop them on the ground here. I don't need those. But as you can see here, nice little tomato harvest and one tiny little pumpkin. But it's so late in the year, I don't think this is going to have time to get much larger. The pumpkins didn't do very much. Here's another tiny little pumpkin here. It's actually 2, but I just don't think they're going to have time to grow out this year. I should have gotten those planted a lot sooner. This is my tiny little flower garden. Also, because you can see I have my marigolds here. So it's a tiny little flower garden and my vegetable garden all in one. But this has been a nice little harvest here of tomatoes. So yeah, guys, keep growing.